Welcome everyone to this series of sections of the course that is going to be covering tree-based methods. So the next few sections of the course is going to focus on tree-based methods, and really there are three main methods we'll be covering. The first is decision trees, and then we'll look at expanding decision trees into random forests, and then after that we'll look at gradient boosting or boosted trees. Now you should know each of these methods stems from the basic decision tree algorithm, so that's the one we're going to be learning about first. And we're actually going to cover each of these methods in their own section. So there's a section per method, and because we're essentially kind of spreading out tree-based methods over several sections, and those sections will each have their own lectures, what we're going to do is we'll finally test your new skills of a project exercise after learning about all three method types. So keep in mind, you won't actually encounter a project exercise until we discuss the last tree-based methods. And then we'll have a much larger project where you get to run and compare the variety of tree-based methods. Also a quick note, the related reading for all the tree-based methods can be found in Chapter 8. Chapter 8 essentially is just called tree-based methods in ISLR. All right, let's get started. I'll see you at the first lecture where we begin discussing decision trees.